If you are searching for a great career opportunity in healthcare, Tri-State Nursing is your partner. We offer competitive wages, benefits, and flexible scheduling to fit your busy lifestyle. Tri-State is now hiring home health professionals, including CNAs, RNs, and LPNs. We are looking for CNAs who will be responsible for such things as assistance with ambulation, hygiene, bathing, grooming, dressing, light housework, meal preps, transportation to doctor appointments, and other duties as assigned. RNs and LPNs can provide skilled nursing services such as wound treatments, dressing changes, tube feedings, colostomy cares, and only RNs for IV medications and IV maintenance. If you want to make a difference and care for those who need your help, then submit your application. Simply go to tristatenursing.com and click on the Apply Now button, or call 800-727-1912 to talk to one of our friendly staff.